Okay, folks, if you're clicking on your Hallian VST instrument and it's showing you the piano roll for all the chords that you're working on, but each time you click onto the drums, it also keeps showing you the piano roll. Even if you go down into the editor and you get into the drum editor, and it shows you, but as soon as you come off, go back to there, and then go back to drums, boom, it's straight back into the piano roll. Pain in the arse, having to change that. Now this is how we fix it. Just click on the drums, come down to the editor, and get into drum editor, and it's down here at the bottom that says map, and I've got no drum map. And if we click on that, now I have already set this up and I turned it off just so as I could show you something. Normally what you would do is you would create a GM map if you wanted to. But what you can actually do instead of that, if you're using like Groove Agent, you might be using some other VST instrument to play your drums on. And if we go down to the very bottom, mine's is greyed out because I've got this set up, but I turned it off like I says. Mine's is greyed out and it actually says create drum map from instrument. So it's gone to the VST instrument, and whatever drum kit you're using or you bought or you've downloaded and you've added it in Groove Agent, it will automatically bring it in. See, the thing is, if you create a normal GM map, then you have to kind of name everything. You might have a bongo where a symbol should really be, so you would have to get into the bongo and type in bongo. But with this way, creating a map, it actually brings in all the names. But because mine's is greyed out, what it's actually done, it's remembered it, and it actually created this one here, and it's called Break Me Down. Now that must be the name of the drum kit that I'm using within this Groove Agent. And it's obviously the grooves. I'll click on there. Now it's changed it all, and it's brought them all in. And again, as you can see, these we can just click on these and move them about if we want. And as you can see, they're all way down there, and I like to do that. And you'll find out you've got loads of hi-hats, different wee hits and wee textures that's added to them, which is brilliant for creating those wee tricky bits and all that, and it makes it sound more real rather than just hitting the same sound over and over again. And so that's how to fix your drum map. So whenever we click on here now, there you go. We're in the musical part, it's gone to the piano roll, and now it's gone to drums, and it's got the names for the things we want, and it's the names that Hit called them, not what we called them. Now, here lies the glitch. Now, as you can see, I moved that about there just to see them. So what you can actually do, you can do that. Oops, let me do that again. It's that there. So I can move that away, out the way, and then we can stretch these and get a wee nosy to see what they really are, because they open up, because they're all kind of hiding each other. But the problem is, and I thought I had a glitch in the program. See when you click on there, look at it, the tap screen jumps about. See, that's orange and that's grey. But as soon as I come back down to drums, it's away over there. It's jumping all over the place. And the reason it's jumping all over the place is because I moved that. See that there? Even if we do it again, look, you got a big dark space there. And again, it's jumping like a maddie. So just remember, if it's doing that, bring it all the way back in. And obviously, if you have to see things, a lot of the time you don't even need to know that they're there, to be quite honest with you. You can just move them back and then grab that wee bit, bring it right in. So now when we click on it, it's all right. Man, it done I didn't even know I'd done that. And I'm going, have I messed this up? And I was doing my boxing, and then I went, that's what it is. So you've worked out how to make sure you go for your drums, and it goes into your piano roll, your drum roll, and when you get into the chords, it goes into your chords. And obviously, when you're in the map, you just go down here, and you just say, I would use the bottom one if I was you, create one that just remembers all the names. And then if you're farting about and it's jumping in other places because you've moved that there. So there you go. You have a nice day.